Hello, my name is Philip Katechi. I'm a mechatronics student 4.2 doing external attachment, and by the end of this presentation I will have highlighted the main points and I've gotten into this app running. Let's begin. I was able to create two versions, one for the 32-bit architecture and another one for the 64-bit architectures. I used Unity as these are the projects along the way. I downloaded different versions of the Unity editors before I was able to get the most stable ones of 2021 and 2019. For the 2021 I was able to create the 64-bit app, and for the 2019 I was able to create for the 32-bit. And yes, let's get into the main part and show you the app running. I'm going to show you the 64-bit APK in action. I copied it to the phone, installed it, and it opened successfully. It requested for the camera permission, the picture and video record. And as you can see, I designed the user interface. I made it interactive. I also added the music, the user interface showing the camera button, the all levels, and the volume interaction. Actually, this volume interaction is able to increase or decrease the background music only. These are the levels. I'm going to take you through all the levels from level 1 to level 8. In future updates, I'm going to increase the levels up to about 20 or more. On pressing the play button, it first will not get the image, and on getting the image it displayed, and also the audio responded. As you can see, this is level 1. It shows the cube with the canvas on it. You can see the interactive mouse is functioning. It's moving the cube in the 3D space. On moving the camera from the target, you see it is responding. On making it come back, you see it's responding. I'll go into the second level. The second level is supposed to show the cube with another canvas on it. In a future update, I'll show the cube rotating. You see it is reactive.
Target lost.
The third level is supposed to show
Kindly feel free to explore.
the following. As you can see, I replace the canvas on the cube.
With the target image.
You can see the graphics. Actually, I also produce the graphics in Blender. On the second, you can see it's reactive. On the second image,
target lost.
It displays another image, another cube with another canvas on it. And I'm also going to show you this app is very reactive. It can also detect images from screens.
3D object on display.
On the third cube,
target lost. Align camera with the target image. Target found. 3D object on display now. Welcome into our augmented reality.
Let's go to the fourth level.
Target lost. Align camera with the target
This level
image.
is supposed to show you the music playing, the videos. Actually, it's a video. Just look at how it's reactive. As you can see, on flipping the canvas, on flipping the image, it pauses. On putting it back, it resumes the music, the video. Let's go
target lost. Align camera with the target image.
to the second image. It's a documentary of space.
We are a dot, an epic dot, but a dot, no doubt. But what might shock you even
You
more
can
is that
get
despite
very
the distance that
informative
Voyager 1
information from this video.
Align camera with the target image.
has
Target
traveled
found.
it'll
3D
never
object
reach
on
the end of our
display
solar
now.
system. Our solar system is confined within what is known as the Oort cloud, and to reach the edge of that cloud would take another 30,000 years for the Voyager 1, which show just how big our solar system is, and how condensed the space the planets that are in it is. As for Voyager 2, despite it launching before Voyager 1 by 16 days, it was set on a similar mission to explore the solar system, albeit via a
You
different
can
route
see
that took it past Neptune and
flipping
Uranus.
it.
The point here is that these two probes are the farthest things that humanity has sent into the solar system.
That's it. Let's go to
Target
the
lost. Align
third
camera with the
image.
target image. Target found. 3D object on display now.
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life.
Target lost.
Proceed.
Align target lost. 3D object on display with the target image.
Let me take you onto the screen and show you how it will detect. Yeah,
Target lost. Target camera. 3D object on display now.
you can see that's Elon Musk's work, the SpaceX program,
Target
and removing the
lost. Align
image,
camera with the target
video
image.
pauses,
Target found.
it resumes an image on screen.
Target lost. Align camera with the target image.
Let's go to the next
Welcome into our
level.
augmented reality experience. Kindly feel
This
free
time
to
I
explore.
think it's level 6 or 5. Let's go.
Target
This,
lost.
in this
Align
video
camera
I'm going
with
to
the
show you
target
3D.
image. Target found.
In this video I'm
3D
going to
object
show
on
you
display now.
the cube. Yeah, let's go.
Target
Next
lost.
image.
Align camera with the target image. Target found. 3D object on display now.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. And liftoff. Ship Falcon, go GPS.
Yeah, let's
Target
proceed.
lost. Align camera with the target image. Target found. 3D object
Actually,
on
you can
display
also
now.
zoom in.
Target lost.
Let's
Align
go to the
camera
screen.
with the target image. Target
That's how
found.
small we are in the
3D
scale of our
object on
system when you
display
look
As you
from the
can
outside
see,
in.
it's
We are a dot. An
this app
epic dot,
can
but
be
a
used
dot,
for
no
very
doubt. But what
creative
might shock you
artwork.
even more is that despite the distance
Cube
that Voyager 1
bombs.
has traveled,
Target lost.
never
Found.
reached the
Align
end of our
camera
solar
object
system.
on display
Yeah.
now.
our solar system is confined within what is known as the Oort cloud, and to reach the edge of that cloud would take another 30,000 years for the Voyager 1, which show just how big our solar system is, and how condensed the space the planets that are in it is. As for Voyager 2, despite it launching before Voyager 1 by traveled incredible
It's time
distances,
to proceed to the
Found.
next
Align
level.
camera target lost. Welcome into our augmented reality experience.
Level 6 and into the 3D.
Target lost. Align camera with the target
Actually,
image.
I made these 3D models move. As you can see how they active in a feature update. I'm supposed to show you how I'll control the behaviors of their movements. This includes running, dancing, or any movement they make in the 3D space. And actually, I'll show how I'll use these 3D models on a planar surface, on a flat surface, and maybe show something like playing football.
Welcome into our augmented reality experience.
Go to the
Kindly
next level. In this
target
video, I'm
lost.
supposed to show
Align
you how
camera with the target
they
image.
react in the open air. Actually, I'm finding them. I'm searching for them. I think, yeah, I found the target.
Target found. 3D object on display now. Welcome into our augmented reality experience.
To the last level,
Target lost. Target found. Line camera 3D object on display
and the
now.
app crashed. I was not able to. Okay, let's start again. I'm supposed to show you how we do it. I'm supposed to show you the full interface settings part. I made the music buttons, all the responsive audios that you are able to hear. You are supposed to press the quit button, and on pressing the last time it's supposed to shut down. That's it. Yeah, I also use the FL program to create the responsive audios, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.